Welcome to solve this nice mathematical Olympiad problem. In this question we solve k into power 2 minus k into power 3 is equal to 12. Now we are finding value of k. Full solution step by step. Don't skip any part of video, watch video till end. Now we are starting our solution. K into power 2 minus k into power 3 is equal to 12. That's our question. Now, as you know, k square minus k into power 3 minus this move into this side minus 12 is equal to 0. Now, k square minus k into power 3 minus 12 is equal to 0. K square minus k into power 3 minus, as we know that 12 is equal to 4 and into 8, 4 plus 8. Now k into power 3 minus 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. Now k square minus k into power 3 minus 2 square minus 2 into power 3 is equal to 0. In next step, k square minus this 2 into square minus k into power 3 minus 2 into power 3 is equal to 0. So in next step, this will be k into power 2 minus 2 into power 2 minus k into power 3 minus 2 into power 3 is equal to 0. This is our first side, this is our second side. First side we use formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This side we use formula a into power 3 minus b into power 3 is equal to a plus b into a square plus ab minus b square. Now we using this algebraic formulas, and now first we are solving our this side. K into k square minus 2 square, this will be k plus 2 and k minus 2 into minus k plus 2 into k square plus 2k plus 4 is equal to 0. 2 square is also 4, our b is true. Now k plus 2 into k minus 2 minus k square minus 2k plus 4 and whole under root this whole is equal to 0. Now k plus 2 into k minus 2 minus k square plus 2k minus 4 is equal to 0. Now k plus 2 into minus k square plus 2 plus 1k is 3k minus 4 and 2 is equal to minus 6 is equal to 0. Now first side k plus 2 is equal to 0, k is equal to minus 2. This is our simple solution of this simple video of k. Now we solve this side. Minus k square plus 3k minus 6 is equal to 0. Now k square minus 3k plus 6 is equal to 0. Now k square minus 3k plus 6 is equal to 0, and now we use this formula. K is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2 into a. Now we use this formula. K is equal to minus into minus 3 plus minus under the root minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 16 divided by 2 into 1. So k is equal to 3 minus into minus plus 3 plus minus 3 square is 9 minus 24 divided by 2. So now this 9 minus 24 under the root divided by 2. 9 minus 24 is minus 15. K is equal to 3 plus minus under the root minus 15 divided by 2. This will be k is equal to 3 plus minus 15 into iota divided by 2, and k1 is equal to minus 2, and our this is value of k2 is equal to 3 plus under the root 15 iota, and k3 is equal to 3 minus under the root 15 iota. This is our values of k. Now we are verify our this value. K1 is equal to minus 2, and our question is k square minus k into power 3 is equal to 12, and now we are putting this value. Our k is minus 2 into the power 2 minus into minus 2 into power 3 is equal to 12. Now this is 4 minus 2 into 3 is minus 8. Minus 8 is equal to 12, and minus into minus plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 12, and 12 is also equal to 12. Now our left hand side is equal to our right hand side. Now our answer is verified, and our value of k is 2 minus 2. Hope you will understand. If you have any question or suggestion about this or other, please write in comment section.